Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this silver smoky glitter cut crease. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this smoky silver cut crease, as we're gonna call it. So we're going into this brown right here. I'm gonna blend that up on top of my lid. Now going in with this block, and I'm putting that right underneath the brown, like right here, and blend it on top. So now I'm gonna cut the crease with my LA Girl primer, LA Girl eyeshadow primer.
Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck.
So I'm taking some silver glitter, I'm taking some lash glue, and I'm gonna put the lash glue all over where I cut the crease, and then I'm gonna apply the glitter. Okay, so now I'm going in with some liquid liner and draw my wing.
Like
some black eyeliner. I'm putting some in a corner liner. I'm gonna line my lips with the black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put on some red lipstick.
Getting in trouble, lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Find myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and my strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching, my neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. In no ring, but ain't gon' need no misses.
Okay guys, so this is the final look.
With my riches, think pizza therapy, my new addiction. Little sad money can solve your problems. It's not ahead enough for me to solve them. Say which one I say, now I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. My smile is feeling, my skin is clean.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.